Hi everyone. I bring fidgets to school and they're in this bag right here. And I haven't gone to school in a little bit because it's been snowing a lot. So today school was canceled. So we're gonna see what's in this little fidget bag. So the bag itself, is textured, so that's kind of like a fidget. I'm not going to show you what's in here yet. Okay, fine, you can get a sneak peek. Okay, you already got a sneak peek. I know that was dumb, but here's this. It's a Pop-It. So it's a pop socket. My cousin told me he hated his pop socket on his phone because it wouldn't stay really on, so he gave me this. So you just pop it up, and then you can pop it down, but you can't pop it the other way. So you can only pop it up this way. Here's the sound. That's the sound. So yeah, and it has a cover that goes right on it, but it's very hard to take off the cover, but it's really fun to look at. It's very good cover, and I love this. So that's the first fidget. So this is the I love this pile. This is the piles. I love it, or I hate it. So this I absolutely love, and this is I like it. Like, I don't love it. Next is this squishy. It's very squishy and nice. And it just has a smiley on it. So that's cute. I don't hate it. I actually like it. So that's the love it, like it, or hate it. So far I don't like anything or hate anything, but yeah. Next is this. This is my clickable. This was a plushable and this was a Pop-It, a DIY Pop-It. So this one you can open it. So this one you can pop off this, and that's what makes the clicking sound. And you can spin it, so that's so cute. So, I really like clicking sounds, so that's going in the I love it pile. And that's the like it pile so far. And this is the love it pile, and this is the hate it pile. There's nothing in it. Next is this. It's a cute little dog squishy. I thought I already lost this. It's so cute, and I love it. So yeah, I don't hate it, and I don't absolutely love it, so that means I like it. This is my DIY one. It's a, I make this, this is, the bin where I make stuff in it, and right there is a bag of stuff that I use to make fidgets with, and this is one of the things. You can bend it and move it around, and sometimes when you first make them they're a little stiff, but they're still very fun, and I really prefer this. It makes no noise for school, so I absolutely love it because it's very essential and fun. Okay, I got one more thing in here, I think. I don't got anything else in here. So, this is very hard. It barely makes a noise, but it's very hard to squish it. I guess it's like a stress candy. I don't absolutely love it. I don't hate it, so that means I like it. So I hate no fidget toys because that's the reason I literally bought them. So yeah. Check out the video that I made. It's a fidget toy collection. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, it'll show all my other fidget toys that I have. These are just the ones that I bring to school. Yeah, those are just all the ones that I bring to school. And yeah, if you have any questions, just talk to me about them. And I will sometimes maybe say where I bought them, but yeah. So yeah. Bye.